Welcome. Today we're going to learn about the infinitive of purpose. This grammar structure is very common in technical English and aviation maintenance. Let's start. The infinitive of purpose is used when we want to explain why someone does something. We explain the aim or purpose of a specific action or task by using the infinitive of purpose. The structure is very simple, to and verb in base form, and we use it to tell the reason for an action. We can use the infinitive of purpose in both positive and negative forms. In the positive form, we simply use to and base form of the verb. Here are some examples. The technicians inspect the aircraft regularly to ensure its safety during flights. Using to and verb, we explain the reason why the technicians inspect the aircraft regularly. Skilled mechanics check the aircraft's avionics systems to guarantee accurate navigation and communication during flights. Again, here, using to and verb, we explain the reason for the action. And in the negative form, we use not to and base form of the verb. You should concentrate on your job, not to make any mistakes. The technician inspects the engine carefully, not to miss any problems. Again, we explain the reason why, but this time in a negative structure. Read the sentences and complete them using the correct form of the verbs. If necessary, use infinitive of purpose. Technicians perform scheduled maintenance to keep the aircraft in optimal condition. Here, to keep the aircraft in optimal condition is the answer of why do technicians perform scheduled maintenance question. So we use infinitive of purpose. They examine the engines to detect any abnormalities. To detect any abnormalities. Again, explains the reason, tells the purpose of the action. They also clean filters and change fluids regularly. Here, we don't need to use the infinitive of purpose. Technicians always follow manufacturer guidelines strictly to comply with aviation regulations. Here, we tell the purpose, the aim of the action. Each task is carefully recorded. All these efforts are necessary to guarantee the reliability and safety of the aircraft. Well done. Let's study more examples from aviation maintenance. Remove the cabin interior panels to facilitate access for inspection of wiring and electrical components. Bu cümlede remove the cabin interior panels cümlenin fiili olduğu için sona gelecek. Önceliği sebep bildiren kısma veriyorum. Kabloların ve elektrikli komponentlerin incelenmesi için erişimi kolaylaştırmak amacıyla to facilitate kabin içi panelleri çıkarın. Remove the cabin interior panels. Fiille bitiriyorum cümleyi. Coat the exposed metal surfaces with anti-corrosion paint to prevent corrosion and rust. Burada da aynı şekilde coat the exposed metal surfaces benim cümlemin fiili, sona bırakıyorum. To prevent corrosion and rust'la başlıyorum. Sebep, öncelikle paslanmayı ve korozyonu önlemek için açıkta kalan metal yüzeyleri korozyon önleyici boyayla kaplayın. Anti-corrosion paint. İsterseniz anti-korozyon boyasıyla da diyebilirsiniz. Well, see you in the next video.